Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin, or BornHype, coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today we have YEEZY Day unboxing and some other random shit. Like, got some more Chinatown Converse. I already opened them because I know I unboxed these for you guys already. But uh, actually, I've yet to show you guys the highs. So here they are. That's really it, though. I'm not gonna make a video on the highs alone because they are the same thing as the lows, just a high version. And then I got this from my boy when he was out at Complex Con. This is the Off-White Miracle, I don't know, some soccer shit. Um, yeah, if you guys want to buy anything, everything's for sale in the Discord, if you guys want to know. But yeah, I've been waiting to unbox all this stuff. I think I have 2 random packages, and then the rest are from YEEZY Day. So, let's see if any of these Yeezys are used, because I've seen a lot of people having issues with them being used. I should have cut all the boxes beforehand. That would have been smart. But, I'm going to try to do this in one video. Let's see how it goes. But here goes the first one. If you guys watch the stream, I know I didn't upload it as a video. I leaked some information, but, yeah. Should be pretty good. Okay, so the first one, we got a 350 V2, and these seem to be DS from the packaging and stuff. Oh yeah, these are good. Blacks. We got the black V2s over here. Not bad. First one up. I can just tell this video is going to take forever. Okay. Next up. This is honestly just a huge unboxing. I know everything that's in this unboxing I've reviewed before or opened on the channel before. That's why I'm just doing it in one big ass video. What is this? Oh, this is semi-frozen. Okay, got a size 9 here. Yep, size 9. Oh, hit my mic. And these aren't worn either, I don't think. It's like a little thing on the inside, but yeah, we got some semi-frozens here. I was reading the box because on my semi-frozens, my personal pair, I buy most of my Yeezys used. I don't wear I only wear a few of the ones I cop, but I usually sell them for full resale price and then cop used pairs for like steals. So my semi-frozen didn't have a box, so that's the first time I've seen the semi-frozen box, like the style code or the style. All right. Next up here. Oh, and one of my black utilities got canceled like 2 days ago. I was pissed, bro, because those are like hitting. They're like $500, size 6. Got canceled and I was tight. This is probably cream. Oh no, sesame. Size 5. Let's see. She's not worn. We're good. Everything good here. We got the sesames. I'm not even gonna bother checking both pairs till I sell them, so. But from the immediate looks of it, it looks straight. Alright, let's attack the tower. Oh. What box is this? Oh. Okay. This is something we've already got. And it's not from YEEZY Day. More Chinatowns. And the receipt, which I don't need. If anybody wants to bulk buy boxes, let me know, because I have a lot. From all my live cops and shit, I literally probably have like 200 plus shoe like shipping boxes in my basement, bro. It's crazy. Another 350. This is a cream, I think. Yes, sir. I know these are going to be brand new. They had millions of them. But got a cream. Actually, ooh. These are laced different. But I don't think they're worn. These aren't factory laced on this side. But I think we're straight. This one's good. Alright. Next up. This one has a sticker that says not on file. I don't know what that means, but some people were getting like licks too. Some people were getting Yeezys that they didn't order, like good Yeezys. Someone got triple black V2s and they didn't even order them. It's another cream, size 8. I'm not even gonna bother opening the cream. Actually, I will open them just to make sure. All these boxes say do not open with sharp instrument, and I just rip them open with my fucking butterfly knife. Okay, this box is kind of weird. The front is messed up. What is this? Another cream. Damn, I got a lot of size 8s. Alright, she's DS. We're good. That's all I care about. If the shoe is DS or not. Bang. 3 creams so far, all size 8. Bro, I hate how Adidas puts the style code on the boxes. Like, Nike puts the swoosh. I think that's terrible as well, because, like, people like Nike. But Adidas, man, putting the whole fucking style code and size on the box, that's bold. This one had an extra sticker. It wouldn't open. Hope you guys can hear me well, because my mic, like, seems kind of quiet. I did a little test beforehand just to make sure. This is another cream. Alright, she's good. Size 9.5. I'm going to move these real quick and then we'll start going. Actually, we got space. Okay, now we got space. More boxes. Hold up. I gotta tell my sister that I'm recording. Don't come up. She just got home, so. Oh, okay. A new one. Don't ask me why I purchased this, but I just kind of did it on impulse. But here's a butter. Size 9.5. These look weird. These look really weird, but what the fuck? Is it me or do these look sus? Like, no cap. These look weird. And the boost looks different. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tweaking. Okay, whatever this is, it's a size 10. I don't know the style codes, so. Where are all my random ones that I ordered? I know I ordered a lot of creams, but I definitely ordered a lot more too. What is this? Oh, it's 10 and a half, not a 10. And I know what this is. This looks returned. Ooh, it's not. But we got a zebra. There we go. I already got my personal pair. Zebras are so nice, to be honest. Like, these are so slept on for price-wise, just because they release, like, multiple times. I don't know, man. Zebras are fucking great, in my opinion. One of my favorite V2s. Took those away nicely. Oh, they had a sticker on them. This is, like, sticky. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's like they were in a store. Running out of space again. Okay. This can be a long video. Throw that one over there. What is this? Another cream. Everything's good. Okay, so we got 5 creams so far. I need 6 more is what my calculate. Actually, I'm gonna open this one real quick. How many Yeezys do we have? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm still missing 1. I don't know what one I'm missing, but I'm missing a Yeezy. I know what this is. Pair of SBs. Okay. I'm gonna check real quick what Yeezy I'm missing. Okay, I'm missing a utility. A size 6 utility. And my other size 6 got canceled. Hopefully they both just show up. That'd be nice. That'd be real nice. It didn't even get I didn't get a cancellation email. I got a Shopify refund email, which I've never gotten before, surprisingly, of all the shoes I've purchased. Another cream. This is size 4. She's good. She's clean. Damn, I got a lot of shoes, bro. Someone please cash me out. I got too many. Damn, this box is not secured well. Another cream, size 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got 4 more creams. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more boxes. So this one's like perfectly packed. Sorry, I'm like talking kind of away from the mic here. It's hard to like open them towards my camera when it's so many boxes, you know what I mean? Oh look, this one's perfectly packed and it's a 700. I think this is my wave. Yep. Yes sir, baby. Wave runners. Holding on to these ones, size 8. Smell awful. I love how I get my wave runners before I get my utility blacks from Yeezy Day. The way Yeezy Supply ships, man. Oh, here we go, a 500. Bang. Not worn, we're good. Utility blacks, baby. Size 7. Got my 6 on the way. Hopefully, actually, I'm gonna check FedEx. I always check things in my videos. Let's check FedEx. If I got 2 shipping things, then we good. Oh. Boys. I don't even know if I can show. I don't know, but we got 2 shipping things. And I'm pretty sure I got all my other shoes. Maybe I'll get a free utility. That'd be nice. They say they're coming tomorrow, so let us hope. Pray for me that I get 2 utilities. Another 350 cream, size 10. I think these are all just creams, to be honest. If so, we'll make this speedy. Cream. The tower is gonna fall. Did I get... I gotta check my notes now. What size creams did I get? Oh shit. Okay, yeah, I did. Here's a big box. It's probably my 10.5 because I got one 10.5. Let us see. Yep, here's the 10.5. I'm gonna restack these over here. And last but not least, I was really trying to wait until I had all of them, but I'm gonna make another video seeing whether or not I get 2 utility blacks. Oh shit, I forgot about these actually. Wait, so how many creams do I have? Salts. Salt 500s, size 9.5. Not, ooh. First used shoe. This one's definitely used, or tried on at least. Right. Focus camera. Please focus. Right there. And like, there's just a few, another spot. Oh, right. It's not focusing, but these are definitely tried on. Let's see if I can get that off. I'll probably get it off with an alcohol wipe, but that's fine. We'll note that. Alright, so how many creams do I have? Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shit. Unless one of these are creams, then I'm getting a cream on Friday. Yeah, no, I think that other one's a cream. Let's find out, shall we? Okay, got it. It's a cream. So we're not getting 2 utility blacks. We're getting a cream on Friday and one utility black, which sucks because I really wanted that other utility. But alright guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, drop a subscribe. What? That made no sense. Drop a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, join the Discord, check out the sponsors, Hermes Proxies, great provider. They're working on some new stuff too, guys, and their whole like dashboard just got revamped, so it looks very nice. And then SG Cooks, great group. Get a lot of info from there. Got a lot of this. Thank you to them for the monitors and all that. So yeah, and their proxies as well. But yeah, guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you guys do all that and join the Discord. I talk in there, talk to all my subs, all that. There's going to be a giveaway for 800 subscribers. Don't know what it's going to be yet. Also for 900, and then pretty big giveaway for 1,000. Road to 1,000. We're almost there, guys. Not too far. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. This has been Gavin or BornHype, and I'm out, guys. Peace.